Hey guys, what's up? This is Tanvir. Welcome back in my YouTube channel. So I hope everybody is doing good. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you guys can apply job through Indeed. Who don't know Indeed? Today I will introduce you guys about Indeed. So let's start, guys. First of all, you have to open a Chrome browser. Then we have to write Indeed. Okay, right and okay, Indeed job, Indeed. Open first once. Then if you guys didn't create your profile, you guys must be create your profile. So how you guys can create in you guys can the sign out options. Said so if you didn't register, then when you open the website, you guys can see the right hand side they're showing register. So click on and submit your emails, phone number. Then that's it. And okay, let's start, guys. Now I'm going to apply job. Let's see. I want to apply job. Let's see. What I should apply. Let's see waiters. Okay. Okay, waiter. Where you guys have to select the location. Let's see, UAE, Dubai. UAE, Dubai. Okay. Wait for loading, guys. So okay, you guys can see the job vacancies. Waiters. And then waiters. You guys can see a lot of waiter vacancies right there. You guys have to select the options. You guys want a full time, part time, whatever. So if you guys want to do a full time, then select a full time and save. Whatever job coming now, all the job will become a full time, no part time, no any flexibility. So let's see, we'll apply this job. This job is coming yesterday. You guys can see that, and see the salary is 2,500, starting salary 2,500 to up to 3,500. So if you guys can scroll down, you guys can see the description about that company, what they're asking, what they're asking you to do, even the requirement documents. They're asking to just CV, and they're asking for experience, maybe. Yes, yeah, they're asking maybe 1 year's experience. So click here, apply. So simple, guys. It's so simple to apply. It's not a big deal. I don't understand, my net is maybe slow. Okay, view full job description. We already see the description, right? No need to see again. So okay, write your name and city, streets. Let's see, Dubai, and your phone number. My phone number is right there. Continue. And you have to select your CV. Let's see, this is my CV. If it doesn't like your CV, if it doesn't like, so you guys have to even upload new ones. Let's see, I'll upload a new CV. I don't like that. Okay, I have a lot of CV. Let's see, add this one's for LG. Okay, open it up. Okay, they have option. Your CV, you want to allow for everyone to see your CV or no? You guys must be select the yes, everyone can watch my CV. If anyone enter your profile, if they want to see your profile, if they want to check your CV, if they cannot, then they might be they will not hire you. So must be allowed. And you guys can see my CV. It's about room attenders, so not that. I will upload another one. Sorry, guys, I was wasting you guys. I was your time, guys. Sorry for that. I have a CV. Okay, this one. Okay, guys. Okay, save and continue. And waiters. Okay, they're asking which company are you work right now. Let's see where I work. Wherever I work, I'll write any company. Let's see, I can work. It's not mandatory. You just write any company. It's not a big deal. Then sorry, this is job titles. What I see, the fuck, man. Technical, waiter technical. Write anything, guys. It's not mandatory. And how many other experience you have? Let's see, I have 3 years. And please list the 3 to 2 days and time that when you guys can attend the interview. They're just asking if you guys want to add your schedule. Let's see, your off date, if you're available until this day to this day, right? It's not mandatory. Continue. You guys can see all the option is fill up. See, if you submit, check properly everything is okay or not, then submit applications. See, my application already submitted. You guys can see that. So if you guys want to verify your application is submitted or not, just open table and go your emails. The Indeed will send you an email connection that your application already existed. It's too easy to apply, guys. It's not a big deal, guys. So you try that. That's it, guys. You guys already see how it's easy to apply, and I hope this video is helpful. If you guys think this is helpful, please like the video and make sure subscribe and share for your friends who want to apply job that he don't know. So please, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, see you next video. Bye, guys.